You type google.com and hit enter, but what actually happens behind the scenes? It's not magic. It's a lightning-fast handshake between your device and the internet. First, your browser checks if it already knows where that site lives. If not, it asks a DNS server, "Hey, where's google.com?" DNS is like the internet's phone book, turning names into IP addresses. Without it, your browser is just guessing in the dark. Then comes the connection. Your browser contacts the website server through an IP address. But it doesn't trust it right away. They shake hands securely using HTTPS. If the handshake fails, no data gets through. It's like knocking on a door that never opens. Once trusted, the website sends back HTML, CSS, images, all the stuff that makes a web page look alive. Your browser starts rendering it while the data is still loading. You're not waiting for the whole thing, it's loading as you scroll. That's why some sites feel instant. All of that happens in milliseconds. And yeah, just typing one link triggers dozens of background requests, verifications, and secure tunnels.